make sure you get married to a matured man. Age is not maturity. Some younger boys are more mature than some older men. This kind of matter they usually tire me. If a man can comfortably come online to do and say all these things you're saying, that one pass abuse now be assault how they call him. Because you're obviously reducing her worth to nothing in front of everyone. You are abusing her reputation as a woman. Not only are you abusing her, they cause her family join. Quick question, Mr. I good pass my wife. If that your wife decides to come back to you, make una start na lovey and I am proud of you again. You think that she go get respect in front of your friends, family, and the whole world? You don't cast her finish now.
My people wanna be like Basikulo as this popular IG influencer don't come out using bad mouth come finish Israel. She talk say Isreal Dmw even get luck say no be the kind of woman where she be now he marry. He for don't use him eye see shege for where him dey. She come the verse say the girl self too fine to be dating a be marry this kind man before self. Say the girl too try to even leave the marriage. My people no be smart in this girl talk. This girl use mouth like I said finish Israel. I go play the video now make una take una ear hear wetin the girl talk. The girl just the boy the verse. Don't be smart in. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow this channel for more when news of the tutorial body and as we did do and for here. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. I'm gonna bye.
Anyhow. Now they confuse me anyhow. Grown men acting like teenagers. You marry young girl, won't give an old woman treatment. Not be every girl they settle for less. Nyama attitude. Now women they always get the fault. Now no they ever they at fault. Why man go they talk like the 12 dancing princesses? Yeah, me now watch this thing.
A virgin say, bless they don't promise so many men before for grand. So when they come marry now, they're not this virgin. They feel say they want to go outside, go test people. They don't promise so.
If she really be bad girl as you claim, for meet her as virgin, I been a fine you too fine. I be the money where you get choke. We make her save her virginity keep for you. Say now you in particular must this virgin her. Or guy get things where you supposed to keep quiet. Not be everything man they talk. Because everything where you don't talk here, never really talk with that get do you. Person they live her life, you they complain. She for live your own life, men should start getting used to it. Now servant or slave you want as wife or now wife you really want. I don't understand. All these internet judges where they complain give. Say them make them show you their homes. If any home they perfect, continue they beef your wife. Like seriously? I hear say you talk say you spend over 2 million for a bride price and your innocent wife will get good heart refund 1,000 you dey power. Very nice girl, very nice girl. I been you supposed balance her. If that girl say make you pay her for all the knack you don't knack her, you fit? I say my brother you fit? Come be virgin again, join. See a rubber where even one Gbola never enter. Normally you supposed they even send her money every day with or without marriage. How now they even do this marriage safe? Come after they cast your wife. He that finds a wife finds a good thing. You don't turn your own good thing to sorrow. See a rubber thing where God give you. Come they make and they look like Nigerian used car. Fear God. Now which woman in her right sense go one marry you knowing that you cast her like this? Everybody has loopholes. Why are you acting like a saint? Human beings and imperfections now 5 and 6. Nobody is perfect. There is something you are forgetting. In your quest to ruin her name, you are directly or indirectly ruining yours. Now every woman don't know say you talk too much. They also don't know say your Gbola is not Gbolaing. In marriage, friendship comes first, second commitment. I don't think you both were friends. I be una skip the courtship part. I never for one day beat her. I never for one day beat her. You for beat her before? Why are you sounding like you did something special? Women don't suffer, sha. With all amount of honesty, mister, whatever you're doing is wrong. Go fix your home and be a man, an actual man. Una they stress me anyhow. I know